With Black Friday just around the corner, AppSumo are launching their daily drops. This is the same setup they had last year, where each day this week they're going to release a new drop of deals at a discounted rate before rolling into the main Black Friday sale next week. To kick things off with drop one, I want to revisit Photo GPT. This is definitely one of my favorite deals of the year. If you missed out on the original deal, you can go and check out my original video. It's been one of the tools that I have found I've used quite a lot. If you have a look at my thumbnails and just scroll down, you can tell when I started using it, because historically I'd have to maybe take a still or stand doing a photo or something like that. I used to hate doing that. I have neither the time nor the patience to go into Photoshop and do all the tweaks and edits to make it look good. Whereas now I can just ask for a photo of me in a certain position and use that as a thumbnail. So the app setup is the same as covered in my previous video. You give it a load of selfie photos, it generates a model, and you can use that to generate photos. But they do have a really cool new feature. So let's hop over to the interface and let me show it you. So this is the main interface, and you can see I've been generating lots of images. You may recognize some of them if you've had a look through the thumbnails. Super easy to use. You get a set number of credits. I would recommend getting at least tier 2. That gives you quite a comfortable amount. If you're going to be generating loads, you're going to want tier 3. The credits are used to create these models. So if you create a new model, you go in, you just follow man, woman, etc., and that'll charge you some credits. So you can select your different models that you've got here, and once your credits top up again, you could generate a new model. That's the nice thing about this plan. Down the side, you've got some presets. These influence the type of image you get. So if I say, and I have to say bald man because otherwise it tries to put hair on me. Now I could enhance the prompt with AI, but I'm just going to use this very simple prompt. I'm going to hit generate, and I'm not selecting a preset. We'll get 2 photos, and I've done a 1 by 1. I should have selected the higher resolution. You can see different resolutions down here. So typically I would have 1 by 1, or I'd use the 16 by 9, and I would always generate a few images because they can be quite different. So there we go. So there's just a couple of images. I didn't specify clothing or anything like that. It's given 2 images. Now let's run the same prompt, but let's say glamour. And I'll do this a few times now using the different presets so that you can see how that simple prompt changes because of the presets. If you scroll down, there's quite a lot of them, but there are a good chunk that are locked, and I'm not quite sure why. I can't remember if that's a tiering issue or they're just locked for lifetime users. Not sure, but there's a ton of them there that you can't use, but there's quite a lot that you can, and you can see there's a good bit of variety. One of the new features that I really love about this platform is now the ability to edit them. This is a brand new feature. So let's have a little look at what we've got. Right, okay, I've got a black cat. Let's say we want to edit image. This will pull it over. I'm going to click the cat. I'm going to say retouch. Turn it into a black cat. Generates edits for 10 credits. You can see my credits just went down when I pressed generate, and it will now go ahead and do its magic. There you go. That does look like my cat. That's brilliant. So you've got retouch. You've got combine, where you can merge 2 subjects. You can adjust, and you've got filter. Now there's also text in image, which lets you add text to an image. So let's just change that to, and we can take a look at the text size, just reduce that down. So what it's done is analyze the image and created the text behind. So I've been using this very regularly for my thumbnails, and I simply load them into Canva and then finish it off. It's worked really well for me, but for me, I have to say tier 2 upwards is what you really want to make sure you've got access to a good number of credits each month, and that will allow you to retrain a different model of yourself, different model of other people, whatever you need. It'll just give you that nice buffer zone. Tier 1, you might find a bit restrictive. If you're going to be doing loads of these, if you're going to be creating maybe an Instagram model, as it were, and you just want to keep churning out different images, then go for tier 3. I'll put an affiliate link down below. Now you also want to check out any links below, because I'm in talks with AppSumo to try and get hold of some deals that I can offer out in a competition. Haven't finalized anything yet, Once I do and this video goes live though, the link will be down below along with my affiliate link to the deal page. If you like this video, then check out whatever else is on screen. Either I or YouTube think you'll enjoy that one next.